What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and put your push notifications on so you get notified every time we upload a video. That felt so weird. Sorry, that felt so weird doing that alone with nobody here. Kind of felt kind of lonely. But yeah, we are in Walmart. Well, me for now. Megan's over there with her family. I have to do some Valentine's Day shopping, so that's why she is not with me. Hold on, there's a loudspeaker right here. I was gonna see if I can find a funny card, and she doesn't really do plushies, so I'm not really gonna get her a plushie, but let's see what happens. So yeah, scratch that. They don't really have a lot for Valentine's Day. It's like literally like 2 little sections. It's not even that good, but yeah, I'll just do my shopping. I'll take you guys with me. We gotta hit the toy aisle first. Have to. Look at this. I'm just looking for AEW figures. They usually don't be having a lot. So they got some AEW stuff, but no actual figures.
I found them. So my first thing was I knew we were gonna film today because it's gonna be like a shopping Super Bowl Valentine's Day anniversary vlog. And what is it today? I was in such a rush. I was like, we have to vlog, so let me grab the camera. And I completely forgot my whole phone. My whole phone, like I don't have a phone with me. He has the list on his phone, thank goodness. But like
we're gonna do
we're gonna go shopping.
They're like adulting victory. You get excited for
I know. Mittens, yo. Y'all don't know.
I know. They know. We need it.
Great value Walmart, and it's Pine.
Look, I even got the white. It's like $1.
I know, but this is why we wait.
Come on.
He put the animals back for Go-Gurts.
It's Go-Gurts over. I'm sorry.
When Orlando breaks the wheel, so we gotta transfer the stuff.
No one talking about you stupid.
He broke the wheel. Look.
I broke that one.
Look. He broke the wheel. How do you feel?
I'm the breaker of chains.
Look at all the stuff we're getting.
A week ago, it would have been way more.
Yeah. First of all, these are delicious. If you haven't had the jumbo snacks, what are you doing?
Yeah, you're not living.
What are you doing?
You're definitely not living like Larry. That's how you should be living.
Okay, so it is only just me, and I have everything that we pretty much went shopping. And the stuff that like is food, the Swiffer, like everything is in the other just like put away and stuff. And we're gonna try something new, and a lot of people usually do like hauls, like Target haul. This I guess is a Walmart haul. I wanted to go to Target as well, but I'm probably gonna Target maybe later throughout the week, because it is only Saturday. But because Monday is Valentine's Day, I actually have Reese's peanut butter cups for Orlando. Cute little airheads. They're mini bars. Cute little mini bars for Liliana. But as of now, I'm just honestly killing time. Like I said, it is actually Saturday. Super Bowl Sunday. We're not having the same Super Bowl. So I'm hoping Orlando could record on his own, and then if anything I could just add the parts together. But my family here is doing a Super Bowl, and then he wanted to do a Super Bowl with his friends. I'm just here to help my mom out because I know my mom's going all out cooking and stuff for the Super Bowl. So I don't know if anybody actually cares about what we bought. We have an Airwick thing that sprays, and we ran out of cans, so we got cans. I believe I recorded when I was in the area. Look how awesome. It's 21 Pilots. If you couldn't tell by the cover, it's 21 Pilots, and I don't know. We just love it. I've been collecting vinyl records. But we got Febreze. It has Downy on it, or in it. We got flushable wipes. Orlando went a bit too overboard with these wax melts. That's how much wax melts we got. I think I saw an ad on Instagram or Facebook, or maybe even a commercial on TV, but they were talking about Dove, and they were talking about the breakage remedy, and I ended up seeing it in Walmart, and I like, right now I just cut it so it looks super healthy now, but before I usually like struggle with breakage, and I don't know why. Maybe it's the way my hair is, but it tends to look like it's damaged. Deodorant, and these are the last two things. These is the same thing. You open it. I usually put this by the window. I don't know if you could see, but I have two there, so I usually just open this up and put it there so that when the AC is on, it actually blows the smell. This one is for, I have this Airwick. Hold on. It's like a mist. It's like a fragrance oil that turns into mist. But this is what it is. So I just clipped it in. You see the liquid or the oil. So then you put it back in, turn it on, the blue light goes on, and then you should, so you see the smoke? That is all we have. Today is actually the 12th, February 12th. We decided to make this vlog longer only because our anniversary was February 6th. We were just running around that like we honestly didn't have time to film, and we recorded a few parts, so I'm gonna add it after I finish talking, but we kind of feel bad only because it's the 12th and we kind of missed last Wednesday's upload, so we decided to make it one big video because that is our struggle. Our anniversary is actually really close to Valentine's Day, so we don't really go all out for our anniversary because it's Valentine's Day after. So just to let you know, that's why we decided to record Walmart. And it does not help that the Super Bowl is the 13th, right before Valentine's Day. So it's like we're stuck doing so much once again, and it's hard to record everything. I hope you enjoy our 3-year anniversary videos that I'm gonna add now. So
we're at intermission right now from the table.
We're at Aladdin.
We're at Aladdin. So this is the anniversary gift. You had fun?
Yeah.
Let's get out of here. It's a lot of people. I have a question for you.
Yes.
You know, it's been 3 years and all.
Yes.
I was wondering, would you want to be my girlfriend?
Yes.
You know, this is the spot where I asked you.
Yeah, this actual block is the block where Orlando asked me out 3 years ago.
I did.
2019.
Too many more, baby.
So many more.
Alright, so this is how the ribs look seasoned. So we're gonna leave them like this and actually pop them in the oven like this for about 2 hours. After those 2 hours, for the third hour, I'm gonna cover it in aluminum foil and start putting some of the sauce then, so that yeah, all the juices can stay inside and trapped. So yeah, we're gonna do that right now. So let's do this. And this, boys and girls, is the final. Look at that. Oh my god, look at that. Just fall off the bone. Look at that. Oh. Yeah, that's how I make ribs. Actually proud of myself. Came out really, really good. But yeah, enjoy the game, guys. Eat lots of food. Enjoy the commercials. See you guys later.
I'm gonna just show you the end just because it's a little too much to record cooking. Be frantic, the babies are coming, Lily's coming, and it's just gonna get overwhelming. So I just think it's easier to just record at the end, or maybe even when we're watching the Super Bowl while everybody is calmed down and just watching the screen. So we'll see you then. So this is everything. Tammy made cookies, 2 cakes,
and banana pudding.
and pudding. Where's MegOland? Yeah. Where's MegOland?
Right here.
See your shirt.
Show your shirt, baby.
Little Steelers fan. That's why we got the terrible towels. Go.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Look, don't mind the tablecloth.
No, they mind the tablecloth. It's a beautiful.
Oh, Ramos, you're so cute. You did this before leaving?
Yeah.
Oh, happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, guys. Is that for me?
Yes.
Thank you, babe.
Look how cute he is.
Yeah.
It's my favorite. But,
The best of the best. Hold on, look at the card.
This is what he calls me. Giggle McDimples. I don't even giggle.
But you have McDimples.
I do have dimples. Look how cute. His hugs. You're so cute.
Happy Valentine's Day. But no, happy Valentine's Day, guys. We're actually gonna, nothing too crazy today. We did the crazy stuff on our anniversary. Today's just a nice little relaxation, eat dinner, and just watch a movie. We don't really like spending a lot of money for Valentine's Day. It's, for us, it's redundant because our anniversary is so close.
Which is why everything's in one video.
Thank you guys for watching.
Yeah.
This is just, just a quick little Valentine's Day update. But yeah, as always, thank you guys for watching the video. Please make sure you like this video, subscribe to our channel, and put your push notifications on. You get notified every time we
upload a video.
Yes. And follow us at official_MegOland on Instagram for just daily updates and to chat with us. Just to see what we're doing. Again, thank you guys so much for watching these videos. We really appreciate it. Happy Valentine's Day. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Later.
Bye.